elegant design. TCT circular saw blade. Size 5/300*32*2.0 millimeters. The machine uses a high-precision carbide circular saw blade with variable frequency speed control for the blade, making it highly efficient and flexible. Cutting capacity: diameter 20 to 85, square 20 to 60 millimeters. The cutting precision is exceptional. With a horizontal and vertical clamping method, a maximum single feed length is 800 millimeters. The machine comes with a 12-month warranty and a delivery time of 15 working days.